Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today we are going to be talking about makeup removers. I have two different products with me today. One is a cleansing balm and the other one is a cleansing oil. Both these are from the same brand, Plum Goodness, and we are going to be reviewing and comparing both these products in today's video. So if you guys are interested, let's get started. Let's talk about the cleansing balm first. Now this is called the Plum Illuminance Simply Supple Cleansing Balm. It comes in a very simple tub packaging along with a tiny spatula, something like this, to take the product out. This is definitely not a new launch, by the way. It's there for a very long time and people love this so much. I personally finished 2 tubs of this and I'm on my third one right now. As we all know, Plum is a 100% vegan and cruelty-free brand. It's also free from harmful chemicals like parabens and sulfates. The brand actually claims that they make all their products with well-researched, natural and active ingredients. And looking into the ingredients list, this cleansing balm is made with oils, butters and plant waxes to keep your skin hydrated while removing the makeup. And talking about the texture, it has a nice balmy texture to it. Once you start massaging it into the skin, it starts melting into an oil and breaks down all the makeup. It does have a mild fragrance to it, which is not overpowering at all. As you can see, it is taking some time to remove the makeup, especially over here. I swatched Faces Comfy Matte Liquid Lipstick, Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink, Face Shop Lip Tint and My Glam Kajal. All these are very long lasting. I purposely chose all these products to show you how this cleansing balm is gonna perform. It does remove non-waterproof makeup easily, but it takes some time to remove heavy duty or waterproof makeup. Once you're done with removing all the makeup, you're supposed to wash it off with plain water. And as you can see, the lip tint is not completely gone. It is obviously very difficult to remove. And there is a little bit of residue left by the Maybelline Superstay lipstick. Other than that, everything is completely gone. And like I said, I've been using this since a very long time. I've used it through all the seasons and never felt dry or oily. I mean, it doesn't leave any oily residue or it doesn't make your skin dry either. It removes makeup gently and leaves your skin nice and soft. It is suitable for oily, combination and dry skin. However, if you have extremely dry skin, this might not be suitable for you. I'm wearing the Essence Lash Princess Waterproof Mascara over here. It's very long lasting and stubborn mascara, and as you can see, this cleansing balm did remove it completely without any trace of it. And lastly, to remove everything, I'm using the Earth Rhythm cleansing pad over here. However, you don't necessarily need this. I'm using it for the sake of this video. You can simply wash it off with plain water and then follow it up with your regular face wash. And moving on to the cleansing oil, this is called the Plum Hemp Cleansing Oil with squalane and bisabolol. I've never heard of bisabolol before, but squalane is my absolute favorite oil in skincare. The moment I saw them launching this, I was so excited to try it, and let me tell you, I love this more than the cleansing balm. However, the packaging is not good. It is priced at 525 rupees. And for that price point, they could have done it much better. It comes in a plastic bottle with a pump and it feels a bit cheap. I personally did not like it. As you can see, the cap is already broken. I didn't even drop it or anything like that. It's just broken by itself. It's not bad, but it's not good either. But the texture of this cleansing oil is very good. It's very lightweight and it doesn't feel heavy or greasy even though it's an oil. It removes makeup within few seconds. Even waterproof makeup gets removed very easily. Compared to the cleansing balm, this removes makeup very quickly. Also, the texture of the cleansing balm might feel a bit thick and heavy, but this one is very lightweight. And by the way, you do not need any cotton pad to use it. Just take it into your palm and massage it into your skin. You just need 2 pumps of it to remove your full face of makeup and you're good to go. And talking about the ingredients list, it has squalane, which is a natural antioxidant. It actually mimics your skin's natural oils and keep your skin smooth and hydrated. It is suitable for all skin types. Doesn't matter if you're oily or dry, it suits everyone. Also, it has hemp and bisabolol. These are going to strengthen the skin barrier and calms down any skin inflammation. Overall, I personally like the cleansing oil more than the balm. It's much more efficient and much faster than the cleansing balm. Of course, the cleansing balm is not bad, it's just that the oil is a little better. If you want to try the cleansing balm, do get the mini version. It retails for 99 rupees. I always carry it while traveling. It's very travel friendly and easy to carry around. I wish they launched the mini version of the cleansing oil as well. The full size is definitely not travel friendly. And that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, then please don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.